I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play time.
Zendaya's red carpet sacrifice, the true story behind her show-stopping robot look at Dune Part 2. When Zendaya graced the red carpet at the Dune Part 2 premiere, the world watched in awe. Her shimmering, futuristic robot ensemble didn't just turn heads, it stopped the internet in its tracks. But while millions marveled at her daring fashion, few knew the real cost behind the glitz. Zendaya herself confessed, "I literally got lightheaded. Why did I do this?" What drove one of Hollywood's most poised and admired young stars to risk her comfort, maybe even her health, for a single evening? Was it worth it? And what can we learn from her willingness to step so far outside the comfort zone? Let's unravel the drama, the doubt, and the inspiration behind Zendaya's legendary look. The robot look, a red carpet revolution. Zendaya's outfit, designed by the visionary Mugler, was more sculpture than dress, a gleaming, body-hugging suit of armor that paid homage to sci-fi legends and the world of Dune. The effect was mesmerizing. Critics and fans alike praised the boldness of the look, calling it one of the most unforgettable red carpet moments of the year. But as the cameras flashed and the social media buzzed, Zendaya was fighting an invisible battle. The weight of the metal, the restriction of movement, and the heat of the lights combined into a perfect storm. Why did I do this? Candid confessions behind the mask. In a rare moment of vulnerability, Zendaya admitted backstage that the experience was anything but easy. Why did I do this? She wondered aloud, a question that echoed the thoughts of every onlooker who's ever wondered what it takes to be a trendsetter. As an entertainment reporter, I had to dig deeper. Was the discomfort worth the fashion statement? What went through her mind as she pushed through the haze of lightheadedness? Zendaya's answer was profound. Sometimes, you do things not just for yourself, but for the art, for the impact, for the story you want to tell. Fashion is a form of storytelling, and sometimes the story takes a little sacrifice. The unseen cost of iconic moments. It's easy to see the flawless photos, the effortless glamour, and forget the very real pressure beneath. Zendaya's story pulls back the velvet rope, showing us what courage means in the world of high fashion and high stakes. Let's be honest, how many of us have questioned our own choices when the going got tough? How often have we asked, "Why did I do this?" in a moment of discomfort or doubt? Zendaya's struggle is ours, magnified on the global stage. Lessons for us all, the power of vulnerability and bravery. What can we, as everyday fans, take from Zendaya's dazzling yet dizzying moment? The message is clear: growth lives on the edge of our comfort zones. True impact comes when we risk vulnerability, whether that's donning a suit of armor on a red carpet or speaking up for ourselves in quieter moments. Zendaya's willingness to admit her struggle is a powerful reminder that even icons face doubts, and that stepping into the spotlight sometimes means stepping into uncertainty. For the fans, join the conversation. If you're inspired by Zendaya's story of daring, discomfort, and ultimate triumph, hit that subscribe button for more exclusive insights and dramatic celebrity moments. What bold choice would you make if you knew the world would be watching? Would you risk a little discomfort for a chance to shine? Share